Time difference without the clock. Time difference without the clock. In our previous videos on time difference, we have been using the clock. It may not be convenient to draw a clock all the time to determine time difference, especially during exams. There should and there is a faster way to do it. But first, we need to know a few things. We need to know that 60 seconds make a minute, 60 minutes make an hour, 24 hours make a day, and 7 days make a week. Let's skip the rest for now because we will not be going beyond that in this video. Now, let's dive in. If a man starts jogging at 9:10 a.m. and stops at 11:30 a.m., for how long did he jog? We will not be using the clock. We will solve this mathematically. We will write the hour side and the minute side like this. Start time is 9:10 a.m. End time is 11:30 a.m. Always write the end time at the top because it is usually bigger than start time. So that means 11:30 a.m. minus 9:10 a.m. Now let's subtract. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 11 minus 9 equals 2. Answer is 220. Use this format. So he jogged for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Now, to convert it to minutes, if required, all you have to do is to multiply 2 hours by 60 because 60 minutes make an hour. You get 120 minutes. Then add the remaining 20 minutes to the 120 minutes to get 140 minutes. Know that 140 minutes is the same as 2 hours 20 minutes. Do you understand? Okay. Let's look at another example. An airplane flies from Lagos Airport at 12:30 p.m. and lands at Abuja Airport at 1:15 p.m. For how long did it fly? As we have done before, mark the hour side and the minute side. Finishing time is 1:15 p.m. and starting time is 12:30 p.m. If you look at the minute side, you will know straight away that 15 cannot minus 30 because 30 is greater than 15. Always observe the minute side before you start subtracting or adding. So what do? We borrow 1 hour from 1 p.m. When 1 hour moves from the minute to the minute side, it is converted to minutes and it becomes 60 minutes. So we will have 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. It is now 75 minutes. Then we can minus 30 from 75. So 5 minus 0 equals 5. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So the minute is 45 minutes. On the other side, we have borrowed 1 hour and that is the only thing there. So we have 0 hour left. But wait, what is 0 hour? Remember in our clock that 0 is the same as 12. So instead of having 0, we have 12. When you count the clock back from 1, it gets to 12 and not 0. You get it? Therefore, we have 12 minus 12 equals 0. So the answer is 0 hours and 45 minutes. So the plane traveled for only 45 minutes. Do you understand this? Great. Though it's a little tricky without a clock, but it's faster and better. Now let's assume that the plane and the pilot rested for a while, got fuel and got engine, took some snacks, checked everything up, and after a while, at 4:35 p.m., the plane pick up again and flies straight to London and gets to London at 10:15 p.m. How long did it fly from Abuja to London? As we have done before, we mark the hour side and the minute side. Finishing time is 10:15 p.m. and starting time is 4:35 p.m. We check the minute side first and again immediately know that 15 cannot minus 45 as 45 is greater than 15. So what do? We borrow 1 hour from the hour side. When 1 hour crosses from the hour side to the minute side, it becomes 60 minutes. So 60 plus 15 equals 75. Then we can minus. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So the minute is 40 minutes. For the hour side, we have borrowed 1 hour from 10. So we are left with 9. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So total time spent flying from Abuja to London is 5 hours and 40 minutes. I believe you understand this. Lastly, let's look at time difference from AM to PM or PM to AM. A man starts praying at 11 a.m. and ends praying at 1 p.m. For how long did he pray? As usual, we mark the hour side and the minute side. Finishing time is 1 p.m. and starting time is 11 a.m. We check the minute side and we can see there's no problem there because they are all zeros. 0 minus 0 is equals 0. But on the hour side, we have 1, which is less than 11. 1 cannot minus 11. So what do? We convert the time to standard time by adding 12 to 1 to become 13. 1 p.m. is the same as 13 o'clock. 2 p.m. is the same as 14 o'clock, and so on. Mind you, I said 1 p.m., not 1 a.m. 1 p.m. and 1 a.m. is not the same, but here it's 1 p.m. So we can convert it to standard time by adding 12 to it to get 13. So it becomes 13 minus 11 equals 2. So the man has been praying for 2 hours. Understand that when we have less numerator on the hour side, we add 12 to it. And when we have lower numerator on the minute side, we borrow an hour from the hour side and it becomes 60 minutes. Then we add 60 minutes to the numerator before subtracting. Lastly, let's look at time difference involving longer hours. If a plane departs Lagos, Nigeria at 7 a.m. and lands at Tokyo, Japan at 10 p.m. same day, how long did it travel? As usual, we mark the hour side and the minute side. Finishing time is 10 p.m. and starting time is 7 a.m. First thing you should ask yourself when you have an AM and PM time difference is the finishing time above or below the starting time PM? The start time is 7 a.m., so its PM is 7 p.m. Is the finishing time above or below 7 p.m.? Since the plane landed at 7 p.m., therefore the finishing time is above 7 p.m. What that means is that the plane flew for more than 12 hours because the number of hours between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. is 12 hours. So from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is 12 hours. We note and write that down aside. What is left is to find the difference between 10 p.m. and 7 p.m. So we mark the hour side and the minute side. Now finishing time is 10 p.m. and starting time is 7 p.m. because we have already evaluated the difference up to 7 p.m. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. Then we add 3 hours to the already 12 hours we wrote aside. Therefore, 12 plus 3 equals 15 hours. So the plane flew for 15 hours. If the finishing hour were to be the next day, that is 10 p.m. the next day, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. the first day is 12 hours. 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. the following day is another 12 hours, making 24 hours. Plus the extra 3 hours, that will be 25 hours. Most time, when it's the next day, about 24 hours may have passed, depending on the starting and finishing time. Watch this video over and over again to have a better understanding, and I'll see you next time.